This video is sponsored by Fresh Lady Contact Lenses, manufacturer and online retailer with millions of highly engaged social media followers and customers in 131 countries. They use the advanced cast modeling technique to make the lenses so thin that there is no foreign body sensation. So you can wear all these lenses and feel beautiful without even feeling you're wearing one. Visit the website at the description box of this video to use my discount code to get 10% off on any orders from this company. Usually if I have heavy makeup at the end of the day, this is the routine that I'm using to remove my makeup and get my plumpy clean skin back. I start by Korean Haru Haru cleansing oil, which is concentrated from black rice. It is very special and light oil specialized for removing the makeup without clogging your pores. Even if you have an oily skin, you can use this. This is an amazing oil. Then I go ahead and I use a makeup wipe and wipe off all the cleansing oil from the surface of my skin. Then I put a pea size of my face wash into this marshmallow foam maker and a little bit of water, and I pump it until I get lots of foam, and I start washing off my face. This is the best way, which makes your face wash to last several months. Then I tone up my face with La Roche-Posay cleansing toner, or sometimes I use Korean kombucha green tea essence and cleanse off all the residues remain on my face. Then I go ahead and use Haru Haru black rice concentrated wonder toner, and I massage it all over my face. And then I use the Miraculous 96 Snail Mucin Korean serum, which is really amazing for hydrating your skin. As soon as you massage it over your skin, you will feel the difference, and you will feel your skin is just so much more tightening and tingling. Then for rejuvenation, I'm using the Fresh Herb Korean serum, which is amazing and it smells so beautiful. And then I'm using the barrier cream from Korea, which is really great to make your skin feeling so soft, just like silk. Now you can see how my skin feels so fresh and clean and plump and bouncy. This is all because of these beautiful Korean products that I'm using lately, and you can access all of these products at the description box or the first comment.